Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Ferndale Middle School in Ferndale, Michigan, home of the Eagles. Got to speak to both the high school and middle school in 2 consecutive days. Today was the junior high. All the grades 6 through 8, we had 2 separate assemblies. The focus was on positivity, being your best self. A little bit different content than what I shared with the older students yesterday for the younger ones today, but the same main primary focus, which was positivity, being your best self, and always choosing in every aspect of our lives to try and do our best, right? And this relates to how we treat ourselves, how we treat others, and to know the power that we have to change a life forever, maybe even save a life. And once we understand that concept, once we know that we could, potentially, do something to someone else that lifts them up as high as the clouds and is on their heart in a positive way forever, or conversely, negatively, we really start to understand the need to be all in for this planet and why we don't have time for destructive habits or things that are going to hurt our bodies, like the drugs or anything that's really going to hinder us from reaching that full potential, right? I talk about in all my assemblies the power that we have, that we possess, and it starts with understanding this too. With the lines on all of our hands, we have the letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one on each hand. I traced one of mine here. That M stands for miracle, right? Upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it, right? But we have to buy into this concept. We have to believe this, that we're good enough, then go out and help others believe that they are great enough as well, be that light to their heart if we choose to. This also requires us to get past some of the current hurts or past hurt, or once we will face hurt, right? We're human beings, so we will feel pain. But once we go through that, that we can be totally in. And I say that a big reason why kindness isn't always there towards ourselves or people that are around us is because hurt people, right? Another big reason why bullying occurs, that if we're hurting, the easy thing to do is go push it on someone else. The hard thing to do is to really forgive, rise above that hate. But a couple students had shared that with me, that they want to show love over hate. Like the positive music that I performed, some of the a cappella verses as well, some of the inspirational videos, along with some picture slides, some physical props, all of that reinforced this need for us to become these healed people who heal people. And the students got that. They understood that, yes, we're going to go through storms, but sometimes storms have to happen for rainbows to appear. And why I wear this shirt for this assembly, the motivation says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, because if you're looking down or feel down, sad, whatever it is, that it's a constant reminder that we have to think more positively. And we know that what we're going through, or, will go through, that basically, it can make us stronger if we let it, if we choose it, right? The story of the butterfly, needs every second in that cocoon for that fluid to get pumped through its body and into its wings. It needs to go through that struggle, that transformation on its own, so that it can finally break out on its own and spread its wings and eventually fly and become the beautiful creation that we know it was. And so that's kind of the same for us, right? We can always choose to turn that pain into greatness. And we can always choose to give a little bit more for this planet, for this earth, because we know that we need more kindness, more positivity, and more people being their best self. So thank you so much for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. And feel free to check out my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.